right, it is a nasty cold day here in Arkansas, and we just finished up duck season, and my mind has already shifted to Shot 3D Total Archery Challenge, some long bombs, and hanging out with buddies on the course. So I want to do a little flashback to the Tybo course from Sarepta, Louisiana, at the ATV park there in Louisiana. Shot 3D course. This was the first one I think I realized, like, I need to get my sight tape dialed in for some really long bombs. I had a pretty good sight tape, but it wasn't perfect. So I missed some shots, lost some arrows, come back and really put the effort into getting my sight tape just perfect. So super awesome course, really cool targets. Watch the video if you're on the fence about going to Shot 3D or not. I hope this makes you go, that looks like a lot of fun, and get a buddy or two, or even don't, just go by yourself. Find somebody to shoot with, and go rip some arrows down range. So it's a great time, it's a fun time. I'll be there, hopefully at every one of them, every day they're going on. So if you see me, say hi. Hope you're doing good. Let me know how your shoot's going. Hope to see you guys there on the courses. Sarepta, Louisiana, coming up the end of February. See ya. All right, Shot 3D in Sarepta, Louisiana. First shot. The Tybo course, right out of the gates, 101 yards with a lake in the background. So if you miss, it's going in the water. I heard this Tybo course here is 3.5 miles to 4 mile hike. Very long hike with some huge bombs on it. I'm not shooting very good. The warm-up, I was shaky as all get out. Didn't have much for breakfast. Ate a little lunch, so hopefully it tightens up a little bit. But I shot Tybo in Oklahoma. It was their biggest, longest course. Had 2 shots at 120, I believe. Just maybe 3 shots at 120, but it is their most challenging, course, it seems like, and that's what we're here for. So shot 1, 101 yards on some kind of a mule deer. Just a touch low, but I'll take it at 101 yards right out of the gate. All right, 94 yards. A little low. Just about a perfect shot. Touch left, but $55 yards. Pretty good shot, just a touch back. So my goal at all of the Shot 3Ds, tack, like my only goal for today is don't lose an arrow. So far we're 5 targets in, and the shortest shot has been 55 yards, I think. So they're going to challenge that today, because it appears we're going to have some serious bombs at this Shot 3D event in Sarepta, Louisiana. All right, 71 yards. I got to hit a limb or something. I heard it hit. It may have been some of this stuff, but hit low, which I've been low a lot, so I might need to start adding a half yard at 70 plus. little back, 70 yards, good height. I'll take it. So this is one of the things I love about Shot 3D. That's a long shot. 80 yards is a long shot. That's a big target. So even if you don't make a perfect shot, you're not losing your arrow. You're not digging it out of the grass. You know, you're not shooting coons at 80 and 100 yards. You're shooting full-size animals, which is really cool. I guess that was a better shot than I thought it was. So far, the shortest shot has been 55 yards, I think, something like that. So this is a tough course. All right. Ooh, I may have got dirt right in there. All right, so I'm praying that I caught the bottom of this hog. Felt good, steady. The only thing I can think of is maybe my range was off. Maybe I was ranging the grass in front of it. How close is that? Whew. Better than miss, though. Let's see what range I get. Getting 87. Looking back at the cone, so a couple yards off, which is about right. Had a lot of gut shots today. I don't know if I need to move my pin left or what. But I don't really want to tinker with it while I'm out here. It could just be me. 61.5 yard bear. I think this is the bear I actually shot at 93 yards in Oklahoma on the practice range. Same bear, and I think I hit it in about the same spot. I might have been over just a little, but roughly the same spot. Still hitting left. Cool shot though. Cool target. Beautiful day. Pretty good shot on snake. 12 ringed it. Thought it was a lot bigger than it is. That was a punch if I've ever shot one. Hammered that trigger. All right, as we're walking to the next one, I'm halfway through this Tybo course. It's an awesome course. If you get an opportunity, definitely go check out a Shot 3D event. They've got 3 left after this one, I believe. 1 in Oklahoma, 1 in Arkansas, and 1 in Kansas. And I'll tell you, it's a blast. The courses are fun. People are great. The atmosphere is more, you know, small community. Definitely check them out. You will thoroughly enjoy a Shot 3D event. Go check them out. $114 yards on a bison, just a touch low. Pretty awesome. Cool target, just a great target. Should have added another yard, but really cool shot through the trees into the prairie. Long bomb, big target. Not a good shot, but a shot and a hit nonetheless. Just barely got him. 91 yards. That's a dead goat. The little grass in front of it. Very cool shot. I like those long shots. Hey, if you hadn't already, like, subscribe. This is a big job carrying this tripod around, and GoPro and bow and tools and battery packs and everything else. Like, subscribe, stick around. If you like this, if you like bow hunting, if you like archery, you're gonna like everything else I put out, or at least maybe you will. So definitely like, subscribe, stick around, so you'll see that. Also, check out my eBay store. That's the best way to support this channel and what we do, and allow us to go to things like this. There'll be a link in the description. Definitely check out the eBay store. Helps out a ton, and there's a lot of cool stuff in there for deer hunters like you that you might be interested in. Appreciate it. All right, target 15, 57-yard coyote, or wolf, or whatever. I feel like 16 in, I'm pretty good, pretty dialed in. I'll take it. How cool the target is that too, just big old full-size detailed zebra. Just awesome. Well, that sucks. Lost my first arrow of the day, 119-yard water buffalo, and I think really I should have added a yard. I've been a half yard off at 90 or so. I felt good, shot felt good, just don't know. Didn't even find the arrow. I think it went under it, but didn't even find it, so that sucks. I hate to lose an arrow. Like I said, that's my only goal. Don't lose an arrow. Lost an arrow, so the day officially, it's not a great shoot, but up until that, I was shooting pretty good, I thought. So anyway, that's, you come here to lose arrows, that's part of it. So on to the next one. I think we've got 3 left. Pretty good redemption shot. 10 ring. It's a little back, still in the insert. Little gut shot. Gut shot coyote. This is a way smaller target than I thought it'd be. I thought that was a full-size ram or whatever. Barely caught it. Whew. Got lucky there. Definitely gotten hot, in the 3.5 mile hike has definitely taken its toll on me. I am shakier than been all day. So luckily there's only one more target, and whew, I'm trying to hold it together. Yeah, I knew that wasn't a great shot. I really thought it was going to be down here, but low enough. I've straight up fallen apart at the end of this. I saw where that one went. Right through the, right under it. But where did it go? There it is.